These 5 projects will help you learn essential skills and make you stand out as a mobile developer. A URL shortener. Building a URL shortener is a great way to enhance your understanding of API integration and effective data management. You learn how to consume API endpoint for generating and retrieving the short URLs. You learn how to handle authentication for secure API requests and how to send and manage data effectively with APIs. Other projects like this include a bookmark manager for saving, categorizing, and searching URLs, and also a file sharing app where you can upload a file and then generate shareable links. Password manager. Building a password manager, you learn how to store data in local storage, you learn how to encrypt data, you also learn how to implement user authentications like biometrics or PIN code. And I made a video about this recently. I'll put the link in the description below. Also, you can also try to synchronize data across devices using cloud storage. Other projects like this include a two-factor authenticator, which can be used to generate OTP for secure logins, and also a secure note keeper, which is an app that can be used to store sensitive notes with encryption. Document scanner. Document scanner will help you explore mobile specific features and utility app design. You learn how to integrate the device camera and optimizing image quality, and also add features like cropping, filters, and perspective correction. You learn how to extract text using the optical character recognition, and you can also export scanned documents as PDFs. Other projects like this include the PDF annotator, which will let users add notes, highlights, and signatures to PDF files, and also a business card scanner, which can use to scan business cards and save the details as contacts. Food delivery app. You'll be working with APIs to fetch restaurant data and place orders. You also integrate maps for location. You'll be using WebSocket to send and track locations in real time, and you can also integrate payment gateway for online transactions. Other projects like this include the restaurant reservation app, which allows users to browse restaurants and book tables, and also a recipe sharing app, which is a social platform for sharing and discovering recipes. And lastly, we have Fitness Tracker app. Fitness Tracker app demonstrates your ability to use sensors and visualize user data effectively. You learn how to access and process data from device sensors like a pedometer or accelerometer. You design dashboard with graphs and charts to display activity. You can also add features like goal setting, reminders, and streak tracking. Or you can decide to sync data with variables or third-party APIs like Google Fit. Other projects like this include a water reminder app, which can be used to track hydration levels or remind users to drink water. Also, a meditation app which can offer guided sessions with timers and progress tracking. Comment below which of these projects you want to see me create step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more developer tips. See you in the next video.